Congratulations for being the proud owner of Symphony Touch Air Cooler, first ever in air cooling industry. An air cooler with futuristic touch screen for effortless operation which gels well with your house interiors. Your fingertips will love this. Remote and touchscreen version of Symphony Touch comes in two variants, Touch 110 and Touch 35. Both the coolers are equipped with voice assist feature that guides you while operating the cooler. Symphony Touch 110 comes with large tank capacity for uninterrupted cooling all night long. Ensure that there is sufficient water inside the tank so that you can enjoy the cooling mode. Fill water through these water inlets provided at either sides of the cooler. Check the water level indicator while filling to avoid overflow. There is an overflow hole provided at the back of the cooler. For draining water, you can remove this drain plug when cooler is not in use for long. Ensure that the plug is switched on. Touch power icon to turn on or turn off the cooler. The voice assist will ask you to keep the doors or windows open for cross ventilation once you start the cooler. Otherwise, you will not get the desired cooling effect. The cooler will start at high speed. Touch comes with 6 high-efficiency cooling pads covering all the 4 sides, which ensures superior cooling performance. Touch Cool icon to turn on the pump for starting water flow on the cooling pads. Touch Cool icon twice to enable electronic humidity control function. This function will automatically regulate water flow to control humidity level. Touch Cool button again to turn off the pump if you wish to use the cooler as a fan. In case the water tank gets empty, then pump will automatically stop working and empty water tank indicator will start blinking till there is sufficient water or cool mode is not turned off. Touch fan icon for various fan modes like high, medium, low and natural mode, sleep mode and fan off. Touch horizontal swing icon to move lower upward or downward automatically. Touch vertical swing icon to move lower sidewise automatically. Touch UV light icon to on the UV light. Touch mosquito repellent icon to activate this feature. Turning this feature on will keep the mosquitoes away from your home. Touch the timer icon once or multiple times to set off timer from 1 to 7 hours in intervals of 1 hour. Timer icon will glow when timer is switched on and the glowing LEDs will indicate the total off time set. For service reminder, at every 2000 working hours, left or right side triangular LED will glow continuously. To disable the same, touch UV light icon for 30 seconds. To disable the voice assist or vice versa, touch and hold UV plus mosquito icon together for 3 seconds. You can operate the cooler using this touch screen panel or with the remote handset. While pressing the button from remote, the front LED will indicate that the respective function is enabled. Cassette type removable pads make it easier for you to clean the pads, thus increasing life and performance of the cooler. These lowers get shut off completely when the cooler is switched off. It prevents the dust and pollutants to get inside. It has a power cord winder where you can wind the power cord when the cooler is not in use. Also, the remote can be placed in the remote slot given on the top. This cooler is equipped with iPure technology, a set of filters act together to give you pure and fresh air round the year. Touch 110 comes with ergonomic handle and strong casters for easy movement. Touch 35 has all the functions same as Touch 110 except that the cooling pad is only present in the back side of the cooler and handle for movement. The unique feature of Touch 35 is that it comes with a detachable water tank that can be easily removed from the cooler for convenient water filling and easy cleaning. Fill the water in the tank and attach it again. If you face any problem, then please call our customer care number. Thank you.